Start.
My name is Joyashree Devsina. I am assistant professor, CSE DS Search Department. Today, I am delivering the topic on business analytics. Before discussing the business analytics, now I am talking about two terms. Uh, One is analytics. What is analytics? Analytics is a field. It is a combination of data, information technology, statistical analysis, and quantitative methods and computer-based models. All are combined into decision make a decision in all possible scenarios to make a well thought and research decision. Next, what is such in the data? Data is a raw facts. Data is a raw facts and symbols and features is meaning of a meaningful information called data is a raw facts, symbols and features is meaning of a meaningful information called data. Data is a valuable resource in ever-changing market. In industry or organization, the professional first collect the data, then analyze the data, and after analyzing the data, they are interpret the data to make a decision. This process is called business analytics. It is a combination of the business analytics is a combination of data analytics, business intelligence, and computer programming. It is the science and it is analyzing the data to find the patterns that will be helpful in developing strategies. Evolution of a business analytics. This is such a the business analytics has been existence in long time ago, and it has evolve the ability of newer and better technologies. It is the root of operation research, and it is used during World War II. Operation research was an analytical process to way to look at data to conduct the military operation. The economy started for developing and companies become more and more profitable or competitive in the areas, and management science evolve into three parts. Number one part is business intelligence, and another part is decision support system, and last one is PC software. The significance of the business analytics is it is to the business analytics make data driven decision, and it converts available data into valuable information, and it is also eliminated the guesswork, and it is a faster giving the faster answer, and it is the get insight into the customer behavior, and it is also in business matrix reports when and where it is needed. The impact functioning of the whole organization. It is such a profitable and increase market share and provide better return to a shareholder, and it is also reduce the overall cost, and it is sustained in competition, and last we see that it is react to changing trends in the real time. There is a six major component in a business analytics. Number one is data mining, number two is the text mining, and number three is the forecasting, and number four is the predictive analytics, and fifth next is optimization technique, and last one is the visualization technique. First, what is data mining? Data mining is create a model by uncovering or previously unknown trends and pattern, and is in vast amount of data. Example is detect the insurance claim, fraud, retail market basket analysis, and it is also the various such as statistical techniques through which data mining is achieved. Number one is classification. What is classification? When we know on which variable to classify the data. That is the example of age and demographics. Number two is a regression, and number three is the clustering. What is clustering? When we do not know on which factors to classify the data. Last one is a association and sequencing model. Next component is a text mining. This is text mining is extract the meaningful patterns and relationship from text collection. That is, we understand in case of that is the example of text mining is Twitter, Facebook, blogs, call center scripts, etc. Where we understand the sentiment of customers on social media site. That is where we are used to improve the product or customer service to understand their sentiment, their competitors such are what are the competitors are doing. The forecasting. In case of forecasting, forecast the future process, forecast the future process and analyze the future 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 processes that take place over the period of time. That is the example of predict how many ice creams once are required considering the demand. And another example is to predict seasonal energy demand using historical trends. And third one is predictive analysis. It is create, manage, and deploy predictive scoring models. That is the example of this is credit scoring and customer churn and retention and predicting failure in shop floor machinery. Optimization. This is the simulation technique. Optimization is a simulation technique to identify the scenarios which will produces best result. Means this is the simulation technique, and the example is sale price such an optimization, and it is identify the optimal inventory for maximum fulfillment and avoid stock outs. Means this is optimize the solution. And last one is the visualization. Visualization is the data analysis, and it is the output modeling results, and it is a highly interactive statistical graphics. This is a business such a process. First, there are 7 steps in a business process. The first one is defining the business need. The second step 2 is collect the data or explore the data. And third step 3 is analyzing the data. And fourth step 4 is predict what is highly to be taken. And the last one, fifth is find the best solution or optimize the solution. Step 6 is a make a decision and measure the outcomes. And last one is a update the update the system with the solution in a decision making. There are many scope in the business analytics, uh, mainly three. There are descriptive analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis. In case of descriptive analysis, we used here this is a branch. Descriptive analysis is a branch, and it is used for communication between the historical data. This branch is of business analytics, analyze and finds the answer. What has happened in the past. Descriptive analysis of statistics performs the function of describing or summarizing the raw data, and it make the question easily understandable and interpretable by humans. Second branch is predictive analytics. This is uses for forecasting the future models, and it is to find out that what is going to happen in future. Predictive analysis helps us in predicting the future course of events and taking necessary measures for the same. This predictive analysis employs the two way. One is predictive modeling and another is machine learning techniques. Predictive modeling uses statistics to predict outcomes, and machine learning statistical is the scientific study of algorithm and models and computer system. This is used to perform a specific task without using explicit instruction. Another branch of analytics is prescriptive analytics. Uh, this is use of optimization and simulation algorithm to find answer to the question, what should we do? And this is a relatively new field of analytics, and prescriptive analysis is used to give advices on possible outcomes. Who is the users in the business analytics? The users are students, businessmen, accountants, and auditors, and the organization and companies and group of industries or small firm. They are the users of the business analytics. What is the challenge in the business search and analytics? Business analytics depends on sufficient volumes of high quality data, and it is difficulty in ensuring the data quality. And data warehouse, here we use a data warehouse, and warehouse using require a lot more storage space than it did speed. Business analytics also becoming a tool, and it influences the outcome of customer interaction. In case of organization, it should be prepared for the change that business analytics bring to current business and technology operation. The main software we used in here business analytics. One is MS Excel, SPSS, R, SAS, E-Views. SPSS statistics is a software package used for statistical analysis, and MS Excel, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft for Microsoft Windows. It features is calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for application. I will elaborately discuss the further session the software tools. The Excel, MS Excel in business analytics. The features of the MS Excel in business analytics is calculation, drafting tools, and tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic. Thank you.